If your rhododendron leaves are turning brown, crispy, curling, or even falling off, you're not alone. This is one of the most common questions gardeners ask. The confusing part is that brown leaves don't always mean the plant is dying. In most cases, it's reacting to stress. In this video, I'll explain the real reasons rhododendron leaves turn brown and how to tell which one you're dealing with. Let's start with the biggest cause: winter damage. Rhododendrons are cold hardy, but their leaves lose moisture all winter. When the ground freezes, roots can't replace that water. Wind and winter sun dry the leaves out slowly. This causes browning, crisp edges, or full leaf burn by spring. This is rhododendron leaves often look worst after winter, not during it. Cold didn't kill the plant. Dehydration did. Signs it's winter damage: browning on leaf edges or entire leaves. Leaves feel dry and brittle. Damage shows up in late winter or early spring. Another common reason is improper watering. Rhododendrons have shallow roots. Too little water during drought causes leaf browning and curling. Too much water suffocates roots and leads to yellowing, browning, and leaf drop. Overwatered plants often look limp and unhealthy, not crispy. Quick check: dry soil, crispy leaves, underwatering. Wet soil, yellow-brown leaves, overwatering. Rhododendrons prefer morning sun and afternoon shade. Too much direct afternoon sun can scorch the leaves, especially in hot regions. This causes brown patches, burned tips, or faded foliage. Plants in full sun struggle more during summer heat and drought. If leaves turn yellow with green veins, that's often iron chlorosis. It happens when soil isn't acidic enough. Rhododendrons need acidic soil to absorb nutrients properly. Poor soil drainage or compacted soil also stresses roots, leading to brown leaves over time. Sometimes brown leaves point to pests or disease. Borers cause wilting branches with small holes. Lace bugs leave speckled, damaged leaf undersides. Fungal problems like petal blight or powdery mildew appear during humid conditions. These usually affect parts of the plant, not the entire shrub at once. In most cases, yes. If the roots are healthy and the branches are alive, rhododendrons often push new growth once stress is corrected. Brown leaves don't always turn green again, but new healthy leaves are a good sign the plant is recovering. If you want deeper guides on rhododendron care, seasonal protection, and fixing specific problems, you can find more practical tips at Yardener. We cover real plant issues and how to solve them step by step.